Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I managed to run Quixel Mixer 2020 in Linux. Running PopOS 2004 here, and I was having some problems trying to run Quixel Mixer directly through Wine, mostly UI problems. The login screen wasn't loading at all. The captcha for the Epic Games account wasn't loading. It was just a, a white a white rectangle. So what I managed to do is I installed Lutris and I installed Epic Game Store in Lutris. So if you see here the settings for both Epic Games, so if you see here both the Quixel Mixer and Epic Games Store in Lutris have the same settings. The runner is the same, it's wine, and the game options are basically the same, only the executable changes. The arguments are the same, the wine prefix is the same, which is I actually don't know what the wine prefix is, and I don't know what it does. So I just select the same, and it's running fine. It doesn't broke the Epic Game Store, so it's running fine. So I don't see any reason to change that. The runner options are the same too, and the system options are the same. So you just configure the same as the Epic Game Store, basically a copy, and you hit play, and it will it will open just fine. I noticed that it seems to be a little bit smoother than the one version, at least in the when the prob. I noticed that it's it's a lot smoother than wine, at least when the program is starting, but it still have some bugs. Um, there's some issues with performance. Um, since this isn't mm, Linux native, I was expecting some performance issues, but you can use the the Quixel mixer just fine. And also, if you let it run in the background for too long, if I open a browser or Blender, anything else, and let it run in the background for too long, it will just stop responding in the UI. Or if I try to, sometimes if I try to close with the close button here, it will stop working the UI and you'll have to first quit. Um, it's pretty straightforward. There's no there's no secret to run. It's just a quick tip that maybe will help you to use Quixel Mixer in Linux. Okay, if you have any tips or any interesting comments that can add to this video, please leave a comment below. And thanks for watching.